We finally got some coffee and we're starting the day off right. Yeah! How is it? Wait a minute. Frankenstein? How are you? Good? Oh, thank you. Can I flip this around? Yay! Oh, you're too tall. I'm too small. There we go. Oh, there we go. Just got to meet Frankenstein. That was very cool. And today, this morning, all before 10 o'clock, we rode Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. What else did we ride? Transformers and the Mummy. All right, that opens soon. We're in the new Jurassic Park section. We are gonna go ride Jurassic World. Woo! Oh no. We're definitely gonna get wet.
On their way.
We're heading to Harry Potter World, Harry Potter Land.
Harry Potter.
Hogsmeade. It's a very good day. We're in line for the first of our Harry Potter rides. I don't know which one this is. It's a castle one.
Hopefully none of them Gryffindors get in.
The Gryffindors are cool. Stop it. Let's go into the castle. Here we go. Okay, we're in the castle. Cool. Is that your favorite? Harry's?
No.
If you like Harry's, it means you're a Gryffindor.
No, I don't like it.
Okay, what was your impression of the hippogriff?
Best ride ever.
It's 2 seconds long. It's dingy. There, that's it. That's all you get. Hello, we are at Universal City Walk now. We came here, we left the park for lunch, so we came to have some Habit Burger, which was one, less expensive than park food, and they had the Impossible Burger, which we like. It's very good, very tasty. We're gonna come back here and get some voodoo donuts later, so that'll be fun. But are we ready to head back to the park?
I think so.
I think so. Let's go. Look at that. I like that. Oh, cute. That's cool. Dad would like them if he smokes.
You want to try it on? Looking good. Smile. Ready.
Good? This, the mirror? You like see your...
Slim.
Yeah, kind of. I think you see, what do you see, your future? Or your best life or something? You look good though. Gru has decorated for Christmas too. So festive, the minion tree. Stop. Don't put me on board of that. For the day, but it's a stunt show.
That's right.
Let's do it.
Which one? That one right there? All right. You're gonna follow my pattern. Give me a stomp, clap. Ready?
Close the gates. Back. Keep a lookout.
The Leonardo's over the water. Somebody shoot him.
The show was so good. So what was your favorite ride from today?
The Jurassic World.
Jurassic World.
Yeah, I think so.
Jurassic World is a must. Water World is a must. Hollywood. Where are we? Universal Hollywood. Good day. Bye.